Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Puteri Khairul Bariyah Binti Mohd Sulaiman. My number matric is 08PEU 20F 2015. Today I want to show how to install 13 ampere top fuse plug 3 pins. Okay, so the first step is 13 ampere top fuse. We need this is step 1. Step 2, 3 wires are sure. The greens is earth, browns is for life, and blue is for natural. So the step 3 is we need to 3 screw that screw the 2 parts of the 3 pins plug has been unscrewed. Okay, then the step 4, insert the wire at each point. Screw was unscrewed. We need to screw this. Step 5, all available point has been entry in a 3 wire. So all the point need to entry this point. Okay, the note for the safety. The live wire was inserted into the correct point of the earth. The green is a earth, the natural is a brown, and the left is a blue. Okay, we make sure the brown into the point is connected with a few 13 ampere. Okay, then the 3 screw at the point of wire done been tightened. Okay, 7, top and bottom at the point of the wire then been tied. Okay, then the 7 top and the bottom plug 13 ampere pin has been combined with a resembler screw. This is like the first one you started. Okay, already done. 13 ampere top fuse plug. Thank you.